So this is our fourth and final lesson, and you are to ensure that you have all these equipment and ingredients before you proceed with this lesson. Measure 1 cup of confectioner's sugar and add it to the bowl. When you're finished, you now have to carefully measure 1 tablespoon that is, of milk and add it to the confectioner's sugar in the bowl. Keep turning the mixture that you made by mixing the milk into the icing until it is smooth and without any lumps. The last thing we need is a cake with icing that has lumps of dry sugar on it. That is unprofessional, and that is what we are trying to avoid. So mix it properly. Just keep mixing until it is at a desired consistency. Not too thin, not too thick, just right. Using a pinch of food coloring, you could change the color of this white icing. We are going to use pink food coloring. We are going to continue mixing the food coloring into the white icing that we now have until it is evenly distributed throughout the entire mixture until we get one solid color. You can use any color you wish, and you can also add more than a pinch or less. It all depends on how heavy you want your color to be. We are going to spread the icing on the cake now. So you're using the spatula, scoop some of the icing onto the cake and spread it evenly using the same motion that you would use to paste butter on a piece of bread. Remember to spread the icing well and quickly because we are trying to avoid the icing getting hard and ruining our piece of art. Okay? Continue to spread the icing on the cake, and you must do this part gently but quickly or else the icing will start to dry on the cake. And if this happens, you will see the texture of the icing getting rough, and when that happens, the cake will come out ugly. And we don't, after all this effort you put into your cake, the last thing you want is to mess up the last stage of it. Now that you are finished, you can either put the cake in fridge to allow the icing to set, or you can leave it right there on the countertop to allow it to set as well. It doesn't matter. So congratulations, you've reached the end of the lesson. I hope you were successful in all these things. All you have to do now is cut and serve your cake to whoever you want to serve it to. I hope you had fun. Goodbye.